Hello. I'm back. So if you're wondering where I've been on my family holiday. I try and take a few weeks off every year. I'm supposed to have this week off as well, but you know, crafting's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. So here we are, I can't help myself. So I've got a lovely project to share with you, and then what you need to do is make sure you watch all of this video because there's going to be a giveaway. Okay, so there's going to be some glare in this video because this project has a clear front. It's an acetate cover. Now, this is not my design, okay? This is a Paper Phenomenon project. If you want to make it, you can type in paperphenomenon.com. I think it's .com, yeah. And it is her new portfolio project. It does come with a box that you can put it in, but I'm too lazy to make the box. I'm not gonna lie. Now, I love some of the smaller Paper Phenomenon projects. They're my little treat to myself every now and again. I will buy one when they're on offer. They're fantastic, and I don't always have time to design everything myself. So sometimes I'll pick some of her smaller projects to showcase. It's cheating, really. Showcase some of my beautiful digitals. So let me show you the project. The digitals that I've used will be linked below. The main collection that I've used is a 13-page collection, which is on sale on my Ko-fi for just £1. Okay? That's not a lot of money. It's just over $1. Okay? At today's exchange rate. I think it's, yeah, just over. So it is what Kathy Otter calls a portfolio project. It's beautiful. So let's get started. So I've covered I've used black cardstock, and I've covered all of the areas with this beautiful pattern paper, which is in my Pretty Patterned Papers collection, and this is in the monotone. So you can either buy that collection in individual colour selections, or you can buy them all at once, all in one collection, at a lower cost. So this is in the monotones. Okay, black and white, basically. It's beautiful. So I have just added some twine just to close it because it's quite a flexible kind of a project. So we've got this lovely acetate cover, which is unusual, and I love it because you can see through, obviously. So we open like so, okay, and I've just clipped the first two flips that flip together so they don't flop about as much, and I just think that's really cute. So you know, I'll pick up a pack of 5 of these for like £1. So here we go. So this is my Vintage Compendium papers. As I say, there's 13 sheets for just £1, and this is how I've used them. And now don't forget, when you're doing smaller areas, if you buy digitals, if you print 2 to a page, it will reduce the size of them, you know, and then you can home in on the images that you like. So some of these are printed 2 to a page to make them smaller. So this here is meant to be for, you know, it's a photo mat, but you can use it as you like. I've done this as a bit of a mishmash between a photo album and kind of like an ephemera folder. So that flips open like so. So they're both the same. Beautiful, beautiful papers. I love them. So they flip open like so. Now it's quite a large project, so bear with me. So they flip open like so, and then here you've got a pocket. Okay, so there's room for 4x6 photos in there. This is just a collection of tags. I think this was a freebie on my group, a travel theme one. And I've just bunched them all together like so, and they just slide in there. Okay. But you can put whatever you like in. So this is just a little embellishment that I made. This is not in any of my kits. This is my own little personal little thing. And then behind there, I've just tucked this little ticket. I think that's Tim Holtz. So I've just got a little mini envelope. So you could make that yourself and then just put some little bits of ephemera in. And then I've just glued it on 2 sides so it's a tuck. And then down here, we have a pocket with some vintage postcards in. These are in one of my journaling basics. I think it's the ephemera mega collection. Yeah. And this is a map, or an old map of London from a old kit that I had left over. Okay. So they all slide in there. So obviously you can put photos on the back or journal on them. Okay, and then this pocket here, this part here I've just clipped just to keep it out of the way a little bit. And we've got another of the beautiful digitals that I've shrunk to a page. And then it opens like this, which is just what I call it a squash card. I've made cards like this, but it's also a pocket. So it's all matte and layered all the way beautifully with papers from the collection. So although it's only a 13-page collection, there's so much you can do with it. It's just, it's fabulous. I really had fun doing this. Okay. Then we come over to this side here and we've got two more what could be just photo mat spaces. So this one I've turned into a tuck. It's not a true pocket because it's just a piece of paper glued. A true pocket has tabs that fold under. These are all true pockets. So in here we've got a collection of ephemera from my ephemera bundles on my Ko-fi. I'll link them anyway and you can go and have a look because the thumbnails show you everything that you get if you scroll, as it were. And then we've just got a collection of little bits and bobs here that I got left over from Junk Journal July. Okay, and then this here is a photo mat, but it swivels. Okay, so you can have your photo, portrait or landscape, and it does swivel all the way around. And I've even layered underneath with beautiful paper. Fabulous. Then if we move this across, it opens again this way and we've got another spinning photo mat. Beautiful, or you could journal on it. Okay, let me just move it a little bit further across. And then this one folds out like so. Okay, and you can see these lovely layouts here of the beautiful papers. Absolutely stunning, every single one of them. Again, photo mat areas, or you can journal on them. You can write on them. You know, a black pen will show up, but I think it'd be nice with photos on. So I've done it in kind of like a travel theme. Although the Vintage Compendium is not necessarily a travel themed collection, it's got little nods. Here we've got you know, Notre Dame, here we've got London, so it's got nods to it, so you know, you can interpret it and use it as you like. So this part here is a fold out, like a trifold, so it goes all the way that way, and then there's the backside pocket again. Okay, let's just move it back over again, showcasing the lovely papers that are available for just £1. Okay, unashamed plugs. Right, so then we come back to the middle here and this folds up. Okay, and we've got a pocket here, and these are two little faux passports, except one I've turned into just a little ephemera holder. Done some collaging on there. I can't remember which kit these are in, but they are in one of my kits. And then this one I've just turned into a little mini notebook. But you know, you could put photo mat in there, 4x6 photo mat. Okay, get in, you slippery little sucker. In fact, I'm just going to leave these out for now because I'm going to show you the wonder of the centre parts. Let me just take my ephemera out so it's not falling all over. Okay, and then the bottom one also flips down. Okay, and we've got just some ephemera clipped on there with a paper clip, and here's an example of a plain photo mat with just some stamping. Life is a beautiful journey, and a globe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful papers. And then this is the centre section. So we've got an acetate pocket here with some more postcards in, again from my ephemera mega bundle or whatever a silly name I've given it. I can never remember them all. And then this centre part here is a little bit of a wow, because as you can see from the glare, we've got acetate here. So what I'm going to do to show you is all of this does just fold back out of the way to share. And it is a shaker. Can you see the little shaky shakies? And then this is a full size, one of the pages from my collection. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I sat the last few days and put this together following the tutorial. Like I say, paperphenomenon.com I think it is. I'm not leaving links, don't pay me. What a kidding. Very easy to find, and the tutorials are great if you can get them when they're on offer. I think it was about $10 for the cutting guide, and then you get some like instruction videos, but you need to get them when they're on offer because the price jumps and then they're not very cheap. So go and have a look if you want to make this, because like I say, I can't show you a tutorial on this because it's not my design. So where does everything go now? So yeah, so that lifts up like so. My little books go back in here. I am going to be doing some more folio style tutorials, so do make sure you are subscribed. I won't, obviously they're free, I don't charge for them. Not yet anyway. And then this goes back in here. And which way does it go now? So that, they fold down, that folds across, that folds across. These go back in here. This goes in here. So the main reason I wanted to make this little, like, what did she call it? Not a folio, a portfolio, is to show that digitals aren't only for making journals. If you like to make things like this, which in my mind are just as much fun as making journals, they're quicker to make, okay? Where's all that red come from? How have I got red ink on me? I haven't even touched anything red. That's puzzling. I haven't even touched anything red. I haven't even got any red ink. Oh, I think it was on that. Oh, I think I know where it's come from now. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. They're quick and easy to make, and I think they're fabulous. And they're just as useful, if not more so, than a journal, because you can put photos in them. Although you can put photos in journals, but you know, if you prefer quicker projects, and I also like these because they're not as what's the word, overwhelming to decorate, because there's less space than a journal. You know, they're in 140 odd pages to decorate. You know, it's fun. They're fun to do. They're my little guilty pleasure, these. I love them. So then that folds like that. I had that clipped on there. My only criticism of this particular project is these two parts here are a little bit floppy, but I think they were designed that way so that you can proper pack them with photos and stuff. So I've solved my kind of problem of that by just clipping that together. And then the acetate cover closes. I think the acetate cover is an amazing idea, although you've got to be careful because obviously it can get a little bit marked and you can get glue on it, but as long as you're careful, you'll be fine. I think that's a great idea because you can immediately see what your kind of project's all about, and then it'll get wrapped back up with this twine, blah blah blah, and there you go. So if you like this project, you can either go make it yourself or ta-da, I'm going to be giving this away. So the Paper Phenomenon projects, I can't sell them. You need a license to sell her projects, and the license is probably more than what I normally charge for my entire journals. But if you make loads of journals, then it's worth it. If you only sell the odd one, it's not worth it for me to buy the license. But I can give them away. I enjoy making them. I like to give a little bit back to my followers and supporters where I can. And so this will be going to whoever wants it. So if you'd like to win this project, all you need to do is, in the comments, I would like you to tell me, because this is travel theme and I've just been on my holidays, okay? I'll tell you where I've been. I went to Italy, Venice, then we went to Santorini, Athens, and then Split and Dubrovnik in Croatia, and then back to Venice again. It was lovely. My favourite place out of all of those was probably, I don't know, I really like Athens is my favourite, but it was too hot to go. It was like 41 degrees or something like that the day we went, so it was too hot to go sightseeing. What I want you to do, if you would like to be with a chance of winning this, I'm waffling, aren't I? I bet you're thinking, come on Amanda, wrap it up. I've been on holiday, my brain should be rested, but no, I'm waffling. But there you go. So if you'd like to win it, I want you to leave a comment telling me your most favourite destination. Now, it doesn't matter if you've never travelled out of your own country. Tell me your favourite part of your country, because not everybody goes overseas to travel. So in the comments, tell me your favourite destination, where you have been. Okay. So there you go. That's it. And it is it open to international? Let me feel the weight of it. I'll have it open for international. Just international, when you receive it, this clip might be on separately to reduce the size. So it's available worldwide. You must be a subscriber, and I do check. And you will need to watch out for the winner video and contact me via email when I release the winner video. Today is, what day is it? I don't even know what day it is. Is it Wednesday or is it Thursday? I think it's Wednesday. So I will announce a winner for this next Sunday. Yeah, just over a week. So a week on Sunday. So you will need to watch out for that. If somebody doesn't claim it sharpish within 24, 48 hours, I'll say 48 hours, because if it's an international, you know, with the time difference, if it's not claimed within 48 hours, I will pick somebody at random in my Facebook group and it will go to them. Okay, so there you go. There's only the one prize. I'm not giving loads of freebies away today. I think I give enough away over on my Facebook group. So so there you go. That's me back with a lovely project to share and a bit of a giveaway. And yeah, so we'll be back to tutorials in the next few days. So keep your eyes peeled. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click like. Blah, blah, blah. So yeah, get ready for some more back to normal waffle and crafting. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.